Bophelo bo tswela pele ka ge Kaizer Chiefs e lebetse ka masetlapelo a go lahlegelwa ka dinotšenne go lee kgatlhanong le Mamelodi Sundowns mo mafelelong a beke ya go feta. Ga bjale setlhopha se itukišeletša papadi yeo e latelago kgatlhanong le Richards Bay FC.
We're still, finding ourselves, finding our feet, but we have to grind the results because we have to be up there with the rest. You understand what I'm saying? So that as soon as we get into the groove, and then we know already that we can easily climb the ladder. Otherwise, we don't want to play catch up now. We are under pressure, and because we are avoiding pressure.
Le ge Chiefs e thomile setla ntle le monwesha dino o maleba ba kgonne go nwesha dino tše tharo. Bothata bjo bogolo ke le morago la Amakhosi.
I'm not too much worried about the performance except for the goals that we conceded. Going forward, I still think that we're on the right track. We'll obviously work on our defense and try to sharpen up, our attack and be a little bit aggressive in the final third entry.
Baraloki ba kwishisha seo ba swanetšego go se dira mo dipapading tšeo di latelago.
Luckily, it was only our third game, against Sundowns, and we can see where we need to improve on, and it starts on Saturday. We need to be better going forward, in our build-ups and minimize mistakes.
We can't get things right in the first 3 games. It will take a while for us to eventually find each other perfectly, if I can put it that way. But it's a learning process, and we are learning, we are getting better.
Moraloki o moswa mo setlhopheng Ashley Dupre a ka se kgone go raloka mo dipapading tše mmalwa tšeo di tlago ka baka la kgobalo. Godimo ga fao go na le kgonagalo ya gore Kamapiliat a ka se kgone go raloka kgatlhanong le Richards Bay. Sfeso Ramara wa ditaba tša SABC ke le ka Johannesburg.